Another video of showing you how to repair your air conditioning. Another video gonna add value in your life. Another video gonna save money in your pocket. Another video gonna take you to a new world of technician. This is a channel of entrepreneur, channel of technician, channel of people who love electronic, channel of people who love to do job with their hand. Guys, good morning. Thank you to join me again in this episode of the video showing you how to repair your air conditioning. This air conditioning doesn't running. It's not running. It's not starting. It could be the problem of the capacitor, ground capacitor, or fan capacitor, or fan himself. But I'm going to take you through this troubleshooting, and then I will show you exactly what's wrong. I will show you how to repair it. I will show you how to control the pressure so that you can do it by yourself. If you have a love of technique, if you have a love of business, if you have a love of making money with your hand, join me, tight your seatbelt, stay tuned on this video till the end, and let's enjoy. Call me Alphonse Foucault. I wish I'm going to see you anytime when I publish a great video like this one on this channel. Guys, this 12,000 BTU air conditioning using R22 type of gas of refrigerant, I will show you how to repair it. I will show you how to control the pressure. I will show you how to diagnose by yourself from your side so that you can do it by yourself. Let's tune, let's go, stay tuned.
The fan
guys.
is actually not running here. It's very hot, eh? So we're going to do the more troubleshooting and see exactly what is the problem. Either the compressor, the thermostat. Thank you for watching. Yeah, on this case, we're going to have issue with our caps. I'm going to remove the caps and do the test on the caps. It's probably going to be our problem here. You can see it. This one, yeah, that's the guy. I'll check, see how good is that capacitor. Definitely, I'm going to change it. Keep watching. Yeah, that's the capacitor is a 35 microfarad. 35 microfarad. So we need to change that one and do the service on it. Yeah. Yeah. So this is a compressor. This is a start capacitor. Most of the time, if your compressor doesn't turn, you have to change this capacitor. And this is a start fan capacitor, which is still okay on this case. So definitely, I'm going to change this motor because that is our problem right now. This fan is not working. So we're going to put another fan and see what's going to be the result. Guys, you can keep watching because we're going to reach somewhere. We need to make this thing work today. So The issue here is to make this condenser work. Guys, we are working, eh? We are working. Where you are, know that if you want to do this job, you're going to work hard, Baba. This job is for those who like work. If you like to work, you come and join me. And if you don't like to work, do not come here. Not come here, guys. See? Yeah, you can even stop the picture, no problem. We're going to make this thing work. Guys, it's a nice job to do, eh? Come and join us. Don't sit alone there home. Okay. Okay, keep watching. Guys, this is our fan who's damaged. This is the fan who's damaged. At the moment, we don't just want to go and buy another one because this model is very old. So we got another one here who's working. So I'm going to try to adapt this fan which is still working to the other one. So guys, keep watching. Let's do the adaptation. If it works, we will be a winner. Keep watching. Yeah, this is the cages of our condenser. So the fan have been removed already. So we're going to adapt the other fan because it's this model we don't find it in the market anymore. But let's adapt another fan, another second-hand fan, and to see if we can just have this whole machine to work again. Keep watching, guys. Keep watching.
That's the dead one. Dead fan. That's the dead fan. Wow. You can see it, guys, it's working. Everything is perfect now. Yeah, it's working, so.
Sound nice. See how it's turning now. The looks seem to be fine, eh? They work like that because I've covered this one. So guys, you guys can see we have this the fan was here, so we actually rectified the capacitor and then we changed the fan. We put actually a second-hand fan. We managed to adapt that fan there and now it's working. We need to close everything and check our pressure and we can go because definitely everything is fine. Guys, if you like this job, come and join me. Thank you. Keep watching. After doing the job, we have realized that the pressure is low, and when this pressure is low, we top up some R22 on this system. After top up the R22, we're gonna get our performance of cooling. Okay, so that's why I'm using the manual to add some gas so that we can get a very cool inside. Otherwise, the customer will not be that happy. So I need to top up some gas. All right, keep watching. Okay guys, as you can see right now The aircon is working fine. Everything is working now. You can see the fan turning while it's bringing some hot air, meaning everything is okay. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. My name is Alphonse Foucault. Subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe and push up the notification bells.